Guys, I'm so excited because today I'm able to share new videos for you guys. It's been a while since my last videos because of busyness in the office, and I apologize for the delay. And things got rather a busy week for me, and I'm so excited because today I'm finally share new videos for you guys. I'm so excited because today I just went to an electronic store called Hardon Electronic near my house in Surabaya, Indonesia, and it's just 15 minutes away from my home, and look for a replacement for my old laptop. The laptop is just too old and I just need a replacement for it. And finally, after long checking and comparing with other brands, finally my sis and I decided to adopt a new brand called Asus TP412F type, and the color selection is silver blue. You guys, you'll need to check this out. This laptop. Moreover, the Vivobook Flip screen is also still multi-touch, support up to 10 points. So let's just try. Think you need to try to connect to a home Wi-Fi so that we can access the internet. Let's try first. Let's try to access TT and let's see how it goes. Yay, I'm in! It works! It can be flipped. Okay, I just try to flip it. What I like about this so far, it has nice design, thin bezels, decent performance, plenty of ports, and very good pricing. Whenever you wanna change to a tablet display, it can be played like this, very convenient for watching or playing games. Practically, can be carried without heavy loads. This is so cool. I mean, it's touchscreen. Paint new. Okay, I'm just trying to I draw a Mickey Mouse with this. See? I'm trying to mix this with ear. It's fun to like drawing. Like how good this is, right? Okay, that was my short video about my new laptop, Asus Vivobook TP 412. Hopefully you enjoy my video. Don't forget to subscribe and like my video for the future. You can see a video that is no less interesting. Don't forget to comment what you can say about this video. Okay, see you guys next time. Bye bye.